something is broken.
Well, it's so you can measure.
Oh.
So you can see how long things are.
I thought it was tape.
Well, it's called tape, but it's not like a sticky tape. Just to tape stuff together. It's to measure stuff.
Oh my. What's that hand for?
So that you don't lose the end of the measuring tape.
Oh, the measuring tape.
Nice.
I see. Wow!
You want to wear that? You look so cool. Who's on the front?
Toodles.
Toodles.
And these big ears are for it.
Yep.
And I would open some of my other Mickey tool things.
Okay.
Because we missed some of them. I told you that there was a lot of these things.
Mm-hmm.
I have an idea. Wait, that. See?
I see.
Stop it! I heard there's all this stuff about it. My hubby is behind you. My hubby is behind you. So separated. Hey, because you're holding Sammy. And how we would you play with Sammy, Bobby? Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Good boy, halfway. Good boy. My kiddo happy pose.
If you want to put it back, you can wind the little thing on the side, the little black thing on the side. We'll put it back, Maxie. Yeah. There you go.
Aha! I see. My ears are good this way or this way.
Usually that way.
Lucy this way.
Mm-hmm.
Where is she? Yeah.
You could also turn the thing instead of pulling, honey. Just turn it the other way, sweetie. Okay, or do that.
I didn't know I could do this.
Yeah.
This whole line.
Mm-hmm. Pretty cool.
My the box was this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now if you take it, it goes that way.
Mm-hmm.